Hello aspirants, welcome back to my new video. My name is Rekha Sharma. Synthesis of simple sentences. If you want to make your writing engaging, impactful, you must develop this crucial writing skill. Synthesis is an important writing skill. What does it mean? Synthesis means the act of combining multiple sentences to form a new one, totally new sentence. And that new sentence may be a simple sentence, compound sentence और complex sentence. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कैसे मल्टीपल सेंटेंसेस को मिक्स करके हम एक सिंगल सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. So my name is Rekha Sharma. Let's get started. First method is using participle. What is participle? ing or ed verb form acting as an adjective. It acts as a describing word. Boiling, boiled. Boiling is present participle and boiled is past participle. Past participle को हम verb की third form भी कहते हैं. As an adjective, how it describes? Boiling water, boiled water. By using present participle, we can frame a simple sentence by combining two sentences. We use first form of the verb plus ing. Now in example, you see two sentences. The thief saw the police, he ran away. Both the sentences, they are independent clauses. They have their own subject, they have their own predicate. अब हमने इसको सिंथेसाइज करना है, हमने इसको कंबाइन करना है. हाउ टू कंबाइन these two sentences and make one simple sentence by using present participle. In the first sentence, the verb is saw. We will write its present participle form, see plus ing. So we'll begin this way. Seeing the police, we converted the first sentence into participle phrase. Okay, present participle phrase. Seeing the police. In place of saw, we have written here seeing. Seeing the police, the thief ran away. Second sentence same रहेगा. He refers to the thief. So in place of he, you can write the thief ran away. Next, again using present participle. So in this way, you can use being in place of is, am, are in the first sentence. Okay, you will begin with being. So being sick, start with being sick, comma. After that you will put comma and then the second sentence you will write as it is. So being sick, the old man can't walk. By using perfect participle, you can use perfect participle also. And in perfect participle, you have to write having plus past participle या third form of the verb. Example, she finished her breakfast, she went to school. Which action took place earlier? Finishing. So the action which took place earlier, with that we'll be using having plus past participle. जो action पहले हुआ है उसके साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे? Having plus verb की third form. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Having finished her breakfast. Okay? Having finished her breakfast, she went to school. So we are given two sentences. He was tired, he laid his work aside. So we have to join them, combine them and make one simple sentence. So first sentence will be converted into participle phrase. How? He was tired, we will convert was tired into participle phrase, that will be being tired. Okay, then we will put comma and then we'll write the second part, second sentence, he laid his work aside. Being tired, who was tired? He was tired. So the phrase is referring to the pronoun he. So he laid his work aside. As you know, participle functions as an adjective. It describes a noun or a pronoun. So this is our simple sentence. It has one subject and one predicate. He ran at top speed, he got out of breath. So we will convert it into participle phrase, running at top speed, comma, he got out of breath. So in that way, we can frame a simple sentence by using a participle phrase. The second one, use a preposition with a noun or a gerund. Gerund also functions as a noun and it is formed by adding ing to the first form. So this is also the second way to frame a simple sentence. See the example. My friend has failed many times. He still hopes to get success. He has failed many times. यानी in spite of many failures, इतने failures face करने के बावजूद वो he is still hopeful that he would succeed. So two contradictory statements and we are using the preposition in spite of. Okay. So in spite of many failures, that is a noun. Preposition with a noun we can say. My friend hopes to get success. Again we have one subject and one predicate. So it is a simple sentence. She heard the bad news, she fainted. Okay. On hearing the bad news, she fainted. Again, this is a simple sentence. Next way is to use the nominative absolute construction, or we can say an absolute phrase. What is an absolute phrase? It is generally made up of a noun or a pronoun with a participle phrase. It modifies the whole sentence. Remember this. His friend arrived. He was very pleased. His friend having arrived. So this is absolute phrase because it has a noun and it has a participle phrase. Okay, perfect participle. His friend having arrived. The whole phrase is modifying the whole sentence. Okay. And his friend having arrived, he was very pleased. उसके friend के आने पर वो बहुत ही खुश था. Next way to frame a simple sentence is use an infinitive. How to frame an infinitive? To plus first form, suppose to go, to read, to write. Okay. He had no money. He could not help his friend. He could not help his friend because he has no money. But we can't use because we have to use infinitive here. So he had no money. The first sentence will be written the same. In the second sentence, we will make a change. We will add infinitive. Infinitive means to plus first form, that is the verb help, to help his friend, and we will remove this he could not. Okay, he had no money to help his friend. Okay, this is our simple sentence. The wall is very high, he cannot climb it. The wall is too high to climb. To climb is infinitive and to, that is adverb, so to pair is used. So the wall is too high to climb. Next way is use an adverb or an adverbial phrase. You must have read about an adverb. An adverb is one of the parts of speech. It modifies a verb, an adverb, and an adjective. It tells us when a thing is done, how it is done, where it is done. He answered me, his answer was correct. So when we add ly to the adjective, it becomes an adverb. Suppose correct, correctly, slow, slowly. Okay. So in that way, we can convert adjective into adverb. So how we would make a simple sentence? He answered me correctly. And he is subject and answered me correctly is predicate. One subject and one predicate. So this is a simple sentence. The son said, my brother had not finished his project. Okay. So now we will convert adverbial phrase. We will use adverbial phrase. My brother had not finished his project by sunset. The sunset is converted into a phrase by sunset. It tells us when a thing is done. So we have used here adverbial phrase and we have framed a simple sentence. Next way is to use a noun or a noun phrase in a position. When two nouns are put together, put side by side, the second noun refers to or describes the first noun. This is known as noun in apposition. There goes my brother, he is called Rohan. So, my brother, Rohan, they are two nouns and we will put them side by side. There goes my brother, Rohan. So, this is our simple sentence. So, two nouns are put together. Rohan is the second noun and it is referring to brother. Okay. His brother, my brother. His uncle was a rich man. He sent him to America for his higher studies. His uncle. Uncle is a noun, rich man is a noun. So rich man is referring to uncle. Who is a rich man? Uncle. So his uncle, comma, a rich man, comma, sent him to America for his higher studies. इस तरीके से भी हम noun और noun phrase in a position लिख सकते हैं. So test yourself. Mohan jumped up, he ran away. So now you recall all the ways you used to frame a simple sentence. So first we are taking participle here. Mohan jumped up. Jumping up, Mohan ran away. Okay. The police arrived, the mob dispersed. We can use here absolute phrase. The police having arrived, the mob dispersed. He is very weak, he cannot run. Infinitive we can use. He is too weak to run. The sun said their journey was not ended. The sun set before the end of their journey. Okay. So, check, you also test, you also do the exercise and match your answers. These are the answers you can match.